Hey YouTube, happy Super Bowl Sunday, and thank you for tuning in once again. Today I wanted to talk about biofilms. A lot of people are confused about what a biofilm really is. You know, they'll see some kind of scab on their skin, maybe it's yellow, translucent, crusted over, and about ready to fall off. That's called slough, however, S-L-O-U-G-H, not the biofilm itself. Biofilm is generally embedded deep within the skin. Usually you'll find biofilm colonies inside heart arteries, inside the cardiovascular system, the veins. You'll find biofilms attached to foreign substances in the bodies, like a prosthetic. But biofilm is not generally topical, and the reason for that is because it can't live long on the surface. It needs fresh water and nutrients coming in to support the bacteria and viruses that are cohabitating inside the colonies. I took a class for this from the University of Copenhagen online. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can take the class for free. I opted to get the certification for only $50. But in this class I learned that biofilm colonies are comprised of several different types of bacteria. So it's not just one, and also they include viruses and even fungus and yeast inside them. Although I am willing to wager that the fungus and yeast that they've measured inside biofilm colonies may have been overwhelmingly mistaken instead of the L-form bacteria that I believe they actually are. L-form bacteria look similar to yeast and fungus under the microscope, and we don't have a good identification method for that particular kind of bacteria yet. So when people talk about biofilms on their skin, look, the best way to know what a biofilm is, www.whamistillsick.com. This is a movie about biofilms. It's a documentary where they go around and do interviews with actual doctors, scientists, microbiologists that study these microbial colonies in nature and inside the body. And it details how these pathogens live in your body for these long periods of time and what kind of effects they have on your body as well. One thing I want to know, I wrote an article, you can find it over at morgellonssurvey.org. Do a search for eczema and biofilms, or biofilms and eczema, your preference. And you'll find this article that I wrote here with the actual video that you can watch the trailer to that movie that I just mentioned, Why Am I Still Sick? But my theory is that biofilm, a recent study was just published by Dr. Hubert Allen suggesting that genetic abnormalities in the filaggrin or other genes that lead to the production of a faulty stratum corneum facilitate the environment needed for bacteria to colonize the skin in eczema patients. And so there it is right there. I think that's what's going on with Morgellons, the ability for the skin to facilitate biofilm colonization. So if you like my videos, hit that like down below, smash into that subscribe, leave a comment,